YouTube, what's going on? I got a new mic. Hopefully y'all can hear it. I'll be honest, I did not like test check it first. Kind of just put it on. I've been ripping and running around trying to get down here. But here's why. I got some goodies for y'all. Well, for me, but y'all get to see it. Array, oh, my address is on there. Okay, so here's what we got. It's a jumbled up mess right now, but this is a cold air intake. I got it from Air Raid. I bought it from American Muscle. It's been nothing but chaos as of right now because I come down here, check it out, pop the hood, and I'm like, wait, I don't have something. Run back upstairs, come back, wait, I don't have this either. So I had to go find all my stuff. But here we are now, you know, we finna get it going. What I am gonna do though, this is not a full install video. I'm gonna prep this. I don't know why that's in my hand. I'm gonna prep this and just start putting things in it to get me going because I lost like an hour or so already. I'm losing daylight and I gotta disconnect the battery. I'm gonna start prepping these things and I'm gonna just cut the camera back on when I, what's it called? When I get a little further in, because I mean, y'all really don't need to see me putting grommets up in here. You know, I don't think that's really that important. But yeah, let me prep some of these things. I'm gonna open the hood and then we really go get it going. But yeah, peace. I got my noise cancellation on. Dude, these are so hard to put in. That man lied. Watching that tutorial video, he just, like this, I put that one right there in there. The way he just did it, he made it look so easy. The first one was easy. The small one, bro, come on, man. It felt like, ugh. And it's still not even in there right. I don't even know if you can fit these in the right way, like upside down or anything like that. It's my current struggle. So I got these two in. And I got one more right here. I gotta go. Let's see if I can get that one in there. I think it's freaking greasy. Why is it greasy on the inside? I got it. Okay. That one was way easier. I don't know why. This one in the back doesn't look like it's seated properly. You know what? Let's see if we can put the things in here. Maybe that'll straighten it out. Okay. So these right here go in those little holes I just made. So there's two small ones, one big one. There's one small one that I just put in. Here's the big one right here. Okay, I think it goes this way. Okay, there's two in. These are difficult. Not gonna lie. I got all three in. That last one was awful. Look what it did in my hand. And my hand hurt. Oh, snap, I just hit my mic. Okay, so the way this one goes in, it goes in from the inside. Like this. And then you'll screw it in from the inside. I think I need both hands for this, so I'll be right back. I was right. It was definitely a two-hand job. So all I did was I took one of these, I don't know what it's called, with a washer, put them on. I had to back them off because I put them on without the washer originally. I was wondering if I needed them or not, then I looked in the bag and see that I had so many. So I went back in the video and they had them. I ain't watching the tutorial though, because I definitely need that. The sun went down on me, so I'm using my flashlight. I got the battery disconnected, pretty dirty, I must say. Now it's time to unplug the stuff over here. I gotta unplug, well, you can't really see what I'm putting, well, that wire, these wires, and that wire. I'm gonna have to get the MAV sensor off too. Let's go ahead and do that. So I put this in, all that went in. I'm not gonna sit here and it went in smooth because it did not go in smooth. Right here, I broke that joint. Like if you can see, hold on, I got a light in my pocket. Like right here, hold on, the light's bright. Like right there, there's like two sides to it. And I broke this one. Like I found one piece, I found one side back. Can't find it off, even when I put it on. It's not seated properly, and I think I got a vacuum leak. Honestly, I don't know what line that is. I don't know where any of these lines are, but something's leaking. So when I put these on, I clicked them on which ones I think would fit, because they all clicked in, but they're not locking. Guys, y'all just heard it. I put in a few sound clips and I'm gonna be honest, it does not sound right. It does not sound healthy. So I'm 100% sure that I did something wrong. I don't know what I did wrong, but something's definitely wrong. It's, let's see, 11:24 at night. And I do have to be up early in the morning. I'm gonna leave this as is right now. I'm gonna come back to it and we're just gonna see if we can do something with it this weekend, because I got stuff I gotta do tomorrow and probably for the rest of the week. So yeah, that's it for this one. Sorry I gave y'all a bad video, but till next time, it's that boy Roddy Ren. I'll catch y'all. Go.